Hi, you're in Kitchen with Taylor. This is Daddy. Today we're going to make cookies in a cup. Chocolate chip cookies. Failure is always an option. Those chocolate chips smell good. That's easy peasy. Hold a cup.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Chef.
We don't actually need a whisk first, but we need a whisk, melted butter, one plain old egg shaken around, and some salt, and some sugar, and some brown sugar, and some flour, some chocolate chips, vanilla, and a cup. It doesn't matter which cup. It can be a coffee cup, a vacation cup, anything. Mix them all together in the cup. Sugar is next.
Yep, because there's eggs.
And I know what goes this minute. Chocolate chips.
Perfect, that's all. Oops, that's probably like 2 or 3. Yep.
Hold a cup.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Chef.
Microwave for about a minute. That means go in the microwave for about a minute. Can I please help you make it round? Let me see.
Does that look like a cookie?
Completely no.
Mm-mm.
The internet failed. I guess we're gonna have a brown cookie. That's it for this episode for In the Kitchen with Taylor. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I love you, honey.